just take it slow. It's your voice, I can't let go. It's your hand, I can't let go. One day we gon' make it there. Push the limit like we fair. I go home and call you up, ask you how you do your hair. Take my jacket when it's cold. You're my only shade of gold. Somewhere nobody will know, saying things we heard before.
B-Boy Mighty Energy. Wow. Oh, bro.
Wow, hello.
Remember me?
Yes, sir.
It's so good to see you after a very long time. I still remember the days when we used to perform there, compete each other, and it's good to see that you are still doing your best, keeping it up. Nang lam chu ikhat lyrical dance na le.
Kia chu tulai ame na chu hip hop lam alung pai no.
Ole. Tua na lam ho chu
stage performance dia chu ha. Atwam tam.
Ole, tu ni na in perform pen chu na. The first performance, what would you call it? I mean, Pinas Adam. What style was that?
Huh?
Na performance pian mo, bang style ale.
Style hip hop.
Hip hop plus Indian lyrical style na. Raga folk style hin. Nang ma style la chota bang lama chu wave hand movement ne poya poy mo hin na. Kin kain vedana hi loi chai ki jong le like kain vedana chu wave lang hin na. Nang ma lama chu hand movement ne poya poy mo. It's like 50% of the dance na. So na hand movement to improve in ball band to kahin til ho na no ma hi and otherwise it was so good. It was something new. Ilang lyrical dance si peset point. I want you to keep it up and I wish you the very best.
Tuna abala digina contestant number 12 Sonia Lamgaichin.
I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to save me. There's all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess they kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. There's all or nothing, really got a way to sleeping without you. Now I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess they kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the right. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the right. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Thank you.
BTS yam sao ya?
Na o ahoi mama na siam mama vai kom komina na o ning kha han leng thei zika mo vai te na o na sa chiang he ko na o ahoi mama mo a strong mama powerful mama na siam mama hile chi kom kala kha ka gen na o ai attract om lo nan sakhia mo attract om lo na sakhia mo bakan na o pen mo flat thim na flat thim vai kha next time Martin kha hoi deun ki practice thake no
vocal lampang he neu chakat ka wagen nok chu la osu kangaya a deep layer a layer lamin kawak ngai to deep layer ha tivel ha mo ai loi le vibration vibrato tivel ho ne kha mang hoi kong sama ma jinga jiti ho kha hoi tak chan kizil belechun jisanga khan thiam na na sat tak main ahum zo then laiza ahin la o kha a soundtrack umlo a hi zika khan neu cha cha ahung flat aham ai lole sharp neu cha cha kha hung panga jiti ho cha kha hoi devin kizil le chun chu nanga dingel thiam na na sat tak mai nei thi le ti he ka thu cha chu he ka ki pa.
Thank you, sir.
Tuna abana dingina serial number 9 Alex Laram Chulo mana.
I wanted to be faithful. Usually I wouldn't even say so. And so she can get a devil a halo. I know she only tryna get a bankroll. I don't mind. I don't mind. You can't get anybody to stop me. Yeah. You ain't got anybody, you got me. Yeah. Got me, don't stop me. You should be in trouble. Get dark milk chocolate. You should be famous. Movies like Now You Like Me. You know I've been the best man. Crack keep flowing and the gas keep going. Yeah, them girls on top, going city after city. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga if she did. She wanna go city after city. Brand new bands, never ask her how she get it. Made a couple racks, I never asked her how she get it. City girls love to have fun in the city. City girls love to have fun in the city. City girls love to have fun in the city. City girls love to have fun in the city.
Hello. Ka buai na pakhatama chu imhing a hian elek soma chuwang chon buai na kala nei de ma se iron din chwa zet chon male tradiu ilan boxia.
Thank you.
Chon I performance te kha ka ena tra ka te khop maya tuna tranghan tradewin practice te nature lela chon hemi aya hian thadevin iti theyang te he kabe sei chenia kalome
Jingte you don't yeah mizo pa bo hen na only mizo right atile sir nan le do dia khat ve tua jingte nang nong lam na ken ka vet nom pen cho hi le na beat mat chuna your musicality like how you catch the beat I really love that ga sei pyo
I performance kamu number to a bit big done a big gets done ka tra ka tilutuk kani
chule tu chana hi dance performance hol ala ding hi your facial expression was on point it was so good so far the best in terms of facial expression you understand right in head thiam chuna
claim
okay good luck
thank you
Tuna apana serial number 13 I watching something apana serial number 14 Rosie Kimney Doyer na kining samahi bibigyan mo na nato watch
Make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Big bag bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man Balenciaga brought it back and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man Birkin back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck.
Damn baby, you got me lit when you put me in the mix. Put me in the mix. Put me in the mix.
I'ma put you in the mix. Put you in the mix. Put you in the mix.
Alright, okay.
I'ma love you all kind of ways. Boy, you got me caliente when you call me mamacita.
Alright,
Boy, you got me saying ooh la la. Ay Dios mío, oh my God. Call me mamacita.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita. Put me in the mix, put me in.
Explosion, bada boom. Lingerie filled up the room. Slip off the feet like a broom. I see you tryna fit in and ain't no room. She want a selfie, I took the selfie. You tryna get rich, I'm tryna get wealthy.
Essa novinha é terrorista, é especialista. Olha o que ela faz no baile funk com as amigas. Essa novinha é terrorista, é especialista. Olha o que ela faz no baile funk com as amigas. Olha a explosão quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão, 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 chão.
Te traje un ritmo que te gustó. Baila.
Jingte right you did a great job I love the performance I enjoyed it and the thing I love most about you is your flexibility and your facial expression as well I hope you will go high and I wish you the very best for the next performance also.
Thank you.
Tuna Rosie Kimney Doy bibigyan khud bet nato wap chat ni
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she love? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Thank you.
Rasi.
Yes, miss.
Kumbang saan eh?
12.
12 mo.
Yes.
Nakumto te na o alian mama. Na o na iliana hoy lotel.
Thank you.
Na o le luanga angay hiag le ma na o omda na hile banga hay pop chi hong sang na aslo lam to kitwag din kaging ta tu dan chita na sakdan te set song chi hong na perform mo mama hilele ay banga na control voice control mo na neglega wai pin kha na la hay sao de una sakde le sot pin oi de hile wai ijanon sakyak janga alas lampin kha control di poya poimo banga I om tinga sakyak ngong olawa mo all ola ya I all ola kha kyak pin kha poya poimo ahia wai pin kha nata samjeka adang tengsu no wa hoi ka salwa
tuna abana ding ina contestant number 15 ngai nun siam amai samahi mi piten khut bek ni
Sudah jarang hiana zantlaya Om kwa haring ting kim ka don vela Maybe kong lo sweet nung lengit Sai ting ka chia kim nge Ka nay chung ka pet kwang zoin ka zai na nge Mare ka lung len tor veng may zong ka don ting nung William Hu Kang ngay ting ma nghe nung William Hu ka Thế giống như sẽ ao kia cân hoang nề ô Ô dâng lên tu trong đầm thi lẽ râu này chóp lấy lẽ xem chuyện bà Thơ vong đinh đi đua quỳ lệ trong quỳ Suy đông cái dù tu mây ăn nâu đi xì So ra trinh trắng đều so Thế giống đi xe chung mùi ăn mất la ra đi Cả phong nghe ăn xíu và lên lại rèn sâu sáng thiềm tới lên là chú Chú tiếng nung lên dài căng vô ra tu Mà rửa cả nung lên tôi vanh mây dù cả đón trên những William Hu Càng ai trinh mà nghe những William Hu khả Thế giống như sẽ ao kia cân hoang nề ô Ô dâng lên tu chẳng cầm thi lẽ râu này chóp lấy lẽ xem chuyện bà Thơ vong đinh đi đua quỳ lệ trong quỳ Suy đông lên cái dù tu mây ăn nâu đi xì
Làm sao nang kisahya? Sama. Na perform na dito kya le. Tuna just de la mapa na komedi na ngai khedi.
Jennifer, there was a very cute and fun dance. It was very fun, and the song seems like a happy song, right?
Yes.
It's a happy song. So why don't you smile more then? Next time when you dance, I want to see you smile more, okay?
Yes,
and
sir.
it was so good to finally see some footworks from the dancers tonight. And I wish you the very best and good luck, okay?
Thanks.
Na pata hoi mama na kizip hunun sung asothia bangzawe na kizila
Nili khong.
nili mo na pata hoi mama mabana na tru na chingi ngi le he sanga mo hoi zo se man kizil thak la dim de sak thu kon ge no ki pa ke
Mi pi te ga yung siawa din khut beng niyo.